Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share post on Reddit chat. First of all, open up the Reddit mobile application. From here, pick up a random post, like for example, if I'm picking the first one. At the top right, you should find the three dots. Click on the three dots and click on the three dots again at the top right. From here, what you can do is click on share at the bottom right. From here, at the bottom, click on post on Reddit. You can just select a title, click on next, and at the bottom there will be all the communities that you joined or all the messages that you have. After that, just send on any single one. Click on anyone, click, and after satisfying all the rules, you can also add a message in it. Make up the post title bigger according to the rules. And after that, if you're sending it in a direct message, then there will be no rules. Just go for a title, and after that, click on post, and that is how you can easily send Reddit posts to chats on Reddit. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.